Alright guys, what is up? As you can see, today I'm in my car right now, and I have a little confession for you guys. I have had a pretty crappy sounding exhaust lately, and to be honest, my whole car has been pretty crappy lately. There's been a lot of issues with it, mostly caused by myself, just kind of messing around with it and never really finishing everything the way I want it completely. But as you saw in the last video, I fixed my turbo gasket and it definitely made it sound a lot better. I also fixed my intercooler piping, which had a lot of leaks, and now it just sounds like it should, really clean and not too loud at all. It has just one resonator in it right now. It's a cherry bomb resonator, and it's a little big, to be honest. The car is pretty quiet for my taste. I used to have it completely straight piped from the turbo back, meaning I had no cats, no mufflers, no resonators or anything. It was extremely loud. I liked it a lot, but for other people, like my parents and stuff, it was too loud when I was living at home. But now that I'm on my own, I can maybe go back to a full straight pipe. So let me know what you guys think, and let's get to how the exhaust sounds. Alright, so you guys can hear me. I'm gonna basically go over my exhaust really quick. So I have that 5858 Precision Turbo on an eBay manifold just below it. It goes into a catless downpipe, and then it goes under to a resonator, which is a cherry bomb. You can see the silhouette of it right there basically, but it's kind of hard to see. All that you need to know is that it's just piping. Then it comes back to my eBay tips. Let me know what you guys think of these eBay tips. A lot of people really hate them and a lot of people really like them, so let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, this is how loud it is at idle. Alright guys, if you like this video, please hit that subscribe button and please hit that thumbs up button. Hopefully you guys can give me some good feedback on what exhaust you think I should run, if I should keep it this way or go full straight pipe. Please let me know, and I'll catch you guys next time.